Track maintenance. Clean and inspect tracks every 10 hours, more often in harsh conditions or if used frequently. Lubricate track pads, rollers, and connecting bridge links with WD-40 or light hydraulic oil. Every 20 hours, track sag should be measured to determine whether the tracks have exceeded their maximum allowable stretch. Track sag is measured from the bottom center of the crawler as shown in the video. Remove the swivel turntable on the top of the crawler and screw in the appropriate lifting hoist ring. You will need to lift the crawler from this point enough so both tracks are naturally sagging, and high enough so the measurements can be taken accurately. Track sag with new or newly rebuilt tracks should be approximately 1 inch when taken from the bottom center as shown in the video. Once track sag reaches or exceeds 1.5 inches, the tracks should be removed from the crawler and replaced or rebuilt. You can rebuild about 3 times, after which the tracks need to be replaced. You will risk damage to the internal components of the crawler if you operate the crawler with excessively stretched tracks. Contact Hilman for assistance on how to remove the track assemblies from the crawler. Excessively stretched tracks can be shipped back to Hilman to be rebuilt. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team at sales@hillmanrollers.com.
And remember, if it's heavy and you're moving it on concrete or track, Hilman has a solution for you. To explore Hilman's entire powered portfolio, please go to hillmanrollers.com or scan the QR codes below. Be sure to check out our social media content.